What's up, love crew? It's your girl Shava here, back with another video. In this video, it's about the previous video that I posted of how I got found that I was pregnant on Depo Provera. So the doctor gave me some blood test to do to actually finalize if I'm actually pregnant, or if the test that I did was false positive. So we did that, and the doctor called me yesterday, which is Friday, and told me that my blood level is very high. HCG blood level is very high. So I went to an ultrasound place today to do an ultrasound to find out how far along I am or how many babies is inside me. So I'm going to show you this video, show you that clip that we did. I didn't film it, babe film it for me because I was actually lying on the bed, so I couldn't do it. So I haven't actually seen the video. As I'm talking to you now, I haven't seen the video, so we both are going to watch this video together to see how the baby looks inside of me, how far along I am, how many babies, if it's 1, 2, I hope it's not 3, and yeah, so let's go.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.
that is going to be shown is the ultrasound that shows 2. The first clip, it only shows 1. They did 2 scans. They did the abdominal scan, which is the one that they put the jelly on your belly and put the ultrasound scanner on your tummy to see what's inside, how many babies or whatever. But this clip that is going to be after I'm done talking to you is the one that they did vaginally. Yes, vaginally. They used the wand this time because the baby was really young and the doctor wanted to see more, so he did a vaginally scan. So yeah, guys, sorry, my daughter is right beside of me, so if you hear any noise in the background, that's her. Say hi, mommy. So enough of me talking. Actually, one more thing that I would like to add is that the video is not steady because, as I said in the starting of the video, I did not film it. Babe filmed it, and because it was our first time, his first time seeing the baby, he was a bit nervous and scared, and a lot of emotions running through his head. Me also too, because I was bleeding, not a lot, but I was bleeding and I was spotting, so it was concerning. That's why I got the ultrasound paper, an emergency ultrasound paper to do. So yeah, so if you see the camera going like this multiple times, it's him. He did not hold the phone steady because a lot of emotion was running through his head right then and there, because it's the first time, like I said, it's the first time he's seen his baby, and he's anxious to find out if everything is okay. And yeah, so if you see the phone or the video moving, because he's videoing it with his phone, not with our camera. We did it with our phone. So yeah, and it's surprising because the first clip where they did abdominal scan, I see only one blob. It's very cute. It was very tiny like this. Yes. Wait. And on the second clip, it was 2 same sized blobs, but according to what the doctor didn't really tell me anything.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase, let's face it. I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot.
Okay guys, you've come to the end of the video. Sorry the video was kind of a bit short, but it was only me showing you our first ultrasound for our fourth baby. Well, our third baby, but my fourth baby. So yeah, so far I'm doing good, well, almost good. Morning sickness is very bad. I've been vomiting a lot. I cannot eat anything. They have prescribed me some gravel to take before eating, because my second appointment that I went, I actually lost about 13 pounds. About 13 pounds if I'm not mistaken. My first appointment, I weighed around 169 point something, and then the second appointment that I went, which is a month after, I weighed 153 point something. I'm not sure. If I can remember, I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, so because I was vomiting a lot, I cannot eat anything. If I smell food, I just want to throw up. If the food is in front of me right now and at least taste like a spoonful, I want to throw up. So this pregnancy literally it took a toll on me because I've been getting weak, I've been getting dizzy. As I said, I've been vomiting. So to stop the vomiting and for me to gain weight, because that's what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to gain weight. While pregnant, you're not supposed to lose weight. So they prescribed me some gravel, which is a pill that you take before you eat, which will make your digestive system digest your food so that you won't be able to throw up, and to keep the food in your system. And then of course your folic acid, your prenatal vitamins, and so forth and so on. Otherwise, from all of that, I'm doing good. My tummy looks really big, bigger than all of my kids. I'm just in my 3 months now, and my belly looks really big because anytime I touch in my 3 months, like I said, I always find out when I'm 3 months and over when I'm pregnant. But now that I know that I'm 3 months and a couple days today, my tummy is really big. I'm going to show you how it looks. Sorry, baby's going to start his bike. This is how my tummy looks. Can you see it? This is how my tummy looks. And I'm just 3 months and a couple days. So yeah, I'm doing a pregnancy update every other month when I go to clinic, and I'll be also doing a week by week baby bump transformation, but that's in the last of when the baby is born. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. Please like, share, comment down below if you like this hairstyle. I made a 360 wig for my Mother's Day, which is actually yesterday. I finished making it and then I installed it this morning. I did comb it all back. It's 2 frontals. I didn't have a 360 frontal, so I just use 2 frontals and make a 360, and then I sewed the wefts in between. If you would like to see how I made that, please comment down below. But this is how it looks now. I did comb it back. I did not part it because I liked it straight back. So again, happy Mother's Day, happy post Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, young, old, single or not. Wish you all the best. Motherhood is the best sometimes. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, please like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. Okay, bye.